Once upon a time in the town of Gigglesville, lived a mischievous parrot named Charlie. Charlie had a peculiar habit. Every time people sneezed, he would make a noise like a trumpet. He'd puff up his chest, tilt his head back and toot loudly. The funniest part was, he would then say "bless you," in a very polite voice. The people of Gigglesville would try to hold their sneezes in public to avoid Charlie's trumpet sounds. But this only made Charlie follow them around, tickling them with feathers until they sneezed. Oh, the laughter that filled the air was truly contagious.